Welcome to this tutorial on tips for using the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money directly from your bank account to others. To get started, first ensure you have the Zelle app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. The first step is to enroll in Zelle through your bank or credit union's mobile app or website. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app and enrolling with your debit card. To send money, open the Zelle app, select Send, choose the recipient, enter the amount, add a memo if needed, and confirm. The recipient will receive the money directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. When receiving money, the funds will be deposited directly into your bank account. You can also request money from others, making it easy to split bills or receive payments. A key tip is to only send money to people you trust, as transactions cannot be reversed. Also, be aware that some banks may have limits on how much you can send or receive through Zelle. For security, Zelle uses the same security measures as your bank, and your account information is never shared. To add an extra layer of protection, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if available. In addition to sending and receiving money, Zelle also allows you to track your transactions and view your activity. You can see a list of all your sent and received payments, making it easy to keep track of your finances. To get the most out of Zelle, take advantage of its features, such as the ability to send money to multiple recipients at once, or to request money from multiple people. By following these tips and best practices, you can use Zelle confidently and efficiently, making it a valuable tool for managing your finances on the go.